My name is Titane Laurent, I'm an abstract painter, and today I have a short message that will change your life. I read it a few years ago. It was in Matthew 5:37. It said, "Let be your yes, yes, and your no, no. Everything in the middle belongs to darkness. Everything in the middle belongs to the enemy. Everything in the middle belongs to the devil." So it's so useful because how many times in an artist's life we have to make decisions: what color, what paintbrush, what size, what exhibition, where to go, what to do, what to do, what to do. If you're not sure about two color, two paintbrush, you cannot just try a little bit and see how it goes, because then you ruin what is behind. You need to think, you need to stop, you need to get to the mood, you put some music on, and then when you're ready, you've got the great bang, you do your stroke. There's no in-between with art. There's no ambiguity if you want to have energy and a good quality at work. It works with life too. You need to make a decision. Am I going to marry that person? Am I going to move house? Am I going to buy this car? Is my yes, yes? Is my no, no? Every gray area, don't do it. You know, often people want to be nice and they want to do something to please somebody. They say yes, but in their heart they know they don't want. And then after they have to cancel, or they do it without grace. So there's a price to pay for you, and then you're grumpy. So there's a price to pay for the other person. It was gray. Gray is no good. Gray means don't do it. So if you've got big decision and you have a feeling of incertitude, you need to ask God. God has the big vision. He's Alpha and Omega. He's got your interest, and He can see everything, past, present, and future. So if you're in this gray area, you ask Him. I do that before going to bed, and in the morning, before all the ideas come bombarding me, I have clarity of what to do. I've got clarity of what is my next move. I've got clarity of what to do today in my art, in my life. So it's really important that you have this relationship with God, because He will guide you. So what about you? Are you making decision? You are not sure? It's time to say no, because not sure belongs to the enemy. Something really important I learned, and I think I want to share that with you too. Never make permanent decision for a provisory trouble. That's really important, because things change and you don't want to regret it. So no permanent decision with provisory trouble. And the other thing, sometimes you don't make a decision because you are scared. Scare is not the gray area. Scare is your body and your brain protecting you from something it's not used to, protecting you from something new. So if you want to tap in your destiny, you will have some fear. It doesn't mean don't do it. It just means be courageous. Go with your Father, because He will protect you, He will care for you, and He will provide for you. I'll give you a really simple example. When I met my charming prince, I was completely in love, but I was so terrified of commitment. So I was happy to let him go, so I would be safe in my life and it would be not stressful and I'd be okay. I don't know why, I freaked out and was happy to let him go. And I was clever enough to ask God, because God knows my past and He knows my future, right? And in the morning, I had clarity. I had clarity that Jonathan would be the perfect husband. I had clarity that it was okay to get married and it was okay to have a child with him. It was so clear. Even I lose my freedom. It was a big move for me, because as an artist, you know, I like to do whatever I want all the time. But I never regret it. Jonathan is the best husband I could ever dream in my life. So that is my message today. be your yes, yes, be your no, no, and everything in the middle. Just don't go there. You will regret it, especially when you buy a pair of shoes. So this is my message for today. I hope it will make a difference. I hope you will apply that because it will really help you in your life. And if you're not sure, God is a loving God. He is your Father in heaven. Just ask Him. My name is Titane Laurent, and this is a message for More Than Art. Bye bye for now.